I, my fire rises, my confidence rises, my flame, it soars all night, my power awakens, my soul awakens. I am the flame, I am the sun, I unite with the spirit of one. I'm powerful, capable, confident. I'm radiant, powerful, glorious. My inner fire burns, I burn bright, 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 bright. I am a radiant being, my fire flows endless, empowered divine energy, the goddess in me. Segment my inner eye, filled with power, arise. I channel Kali, clearing every block within my being. Only I speak truth and nothing can fade me. My spirit is free. Arise. The sun ignites in me. I burn bright. I rise like the phoenix, unstoppable light. I act with intentions, aligned and divine. I glow like the sun, a golden frequency. I shine. I embody fresh courage, I'm fierce in my flow. My inner strength carries me forward, fire, move forward. Trust in my power to create my own reality. My fire purifies every darkness, every entity, releasing all that no longer serves. I'm illuminated, I'm ascended, I'm emancipated. Spirits lighting my way, I cannot lose, I rise. With the courage of divine spirit, sacred fire flowing through me. I'm a warrior with the purpose, I rise. Unstoppable, unshaken, divine. The fire in my belly, I'm awakening my destiny. My intentions are clear, my flow is on fire. I manifest with ease, a soul lit empire. The sun ignites in me. I burn bright. I rise like the phoenix, unstoppable light. I act with intention, aligned and divine. I glow like the sun, a golden frequency. I shine. The fire of my solar plexus energize my soul. I transform like the phoenix reborn in power. My inner light burns away all that is not me. And my power, I am courage. I am the flame. I say so, I say, and so it is.